Welcome back to Use the Bitcoin, your go-to channel for the latest insights and analysis on the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into a technical analysis of Bitcoin's price action and discussing a potential trading plan based on current market conditions. Let's start by taking a look at Bitcoin's current price. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is trading around the $66,000 to $67,000 level. Now, if you've been following the charts closely, you'll notice that Bitcoin recently faced a rejection at the $69,000 level. This has created some downward pressure, with the market now searching for a new support zone. In this analysis, we'll break down the possible levels Bitcoin might revisit before resuming its next move up. First, let's talk about the support and resistance levels. As mentioned earlier, Bitcoin is currently hovering just below $67,000. The $69,000 level has proven to be a strong resistance that Bitcoin struggled to break through, but if we look lower, we can see a potential support forming around $64,000. Why $64,000? There are a few reasons. One of the key reasons is that Bitcoin has created a fair value gap around this area. Now, for those who aren't familiar with the term, a fair value gap is essentially a gap in price that hasn't been revisited by the market yet. Think of it as a magnet that attracts the price back to that level to fill the gap. In simple terms, the $64,000 area could act as a magnet, drawing Bitcoin back to this level before resuming its upward momentum. This makes $64,000 an important zone to watch if Bitcoin retraces further. For traders, this could present a good buying opportunity if the price drops back down to fill that gap. But what about now? Should you buy Bitcoin at the current price? Well, here's where things get interesting. Even though Bitcoin is trading just below $67,000, this is still a solid level to consider entering the market, especially if you believe in the longer-term bullish trend. However, it's important to prepare for a possible pullback to $64,000. Now, let's move on to the indicators. Looking at the RSI, we're currently sitting around 58, which is relatively neutral. It's neither overbought nor oversold, so there's room for movement in both directions. What this tells us is that Bitcoin isn't in an extreme condition right now, and we could see it bounce either way depending on market momentum. Next, we have the MACD. We're seeing some bullish momentum, but the lines are still close together, which means the trend could shift quickly. It's not a strong confirmation of an upward move yet, but it's something to keep an eye on as we monitor Bitcoin's next move. So, what's the best course of action if you're looking to trade Bitcoin right now? Here's a simple plan that you might want to consider. First, you could enter the market at the current price, around $66,000 to $67,000. This allows you to have a position in case Bitcoin continues its upward trend and breaks through that $69,000 resistance. But at the same time, you want to have a backup plan. Set another buy order around $64,000 at the fair value gap. This way, if Bitcoin pulls back to fill the gap, you'll be able to buy at a lower price and take advantage of that dip. It's a strategy that gives you the flexibility to profit from both an upward move and a possible retracement. If Bitcoin breaks through $69,000, we could see it push towards $70,000 and beyond, potentially setting new highs. But if it pulls back, you're still positioned to buy at a discounted price. That's it for today's technical analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And as always, leave your thoughts in the comments below. What's your take on Bitcoin's current price action, and where do you see it heading next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.